Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to upgrade our turn signal and our RAV4. Let's check this out. Alright, so these are the Lasfit T3 series. These are new for 2023. These are switchback. They have ceramic top in here, which helps dissipate the heat faster. These are nice. So with this one, as you can see here, they have 4 amber lights and 1 white on each side. Alright, so it has 4 sides, so 4 of each and 1 of each. And these are CAN bus ready, so it will not hyper flash. They will not flicker, they will work properly. One thing also, as noted on their website, this particular model usually they might start hyper flashing or flickering after 30 minutes. So yeah, so just to keep that in mind. Other models, sometimes once they heat up like 2 minutes or less, sometimes they flicker or hyper flash, but not this one, according to Lasfit. And also, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my discount code FGSAVE10 for 10% discount on their website. Alright, so for this, let's install this. Alright, so to access the turn signal, so it will be this one. As you can see here, I'm already using a Lasfit turn signal. These are the switchback also. These are nice also, and yeah, no problem on this one. Just upgrading to the new ones, the T3 models. So to access this, you have to open your hood, of course, and it will be here. As you can see, it's gonna be this one. So just twist this and pull, and easy as that. All right, so as you can see, this is bigger than the new one, but I'm excited to try the new one. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. If you want to purchase this, it will be on the link below. But again, with the T3 with the ceramic cap, this one has an aluminum cap. The ceramic cap on the T3 will help dissipate the heat faster than this aluminum one. All right, so let's install the new one. All right, so this is the new one, and we just need to plug it in. And before we put it on the housing, let's test it if it lights up, so that we can just put it on the other side or plug it in the other way to make it work. So let me try it. All right, so I tested it. Now we just need to put it back somewhere here. You can see it there. There you go. Plug it in, and it is in there now. So now let's turn on the DRL first. All right, so here's the DRL function on it. It's bright, it's nice, it's really helpful. And let's compare it to the other one, another Lasfit product. This is the other one. This one has 2 LED chips on each side. Basically, the white one has 2 of them. And yeah, so it is bright, it is comparable to this one. So they are very similar in the output. Now let's turn on the signal. I'll just put the hazard and it will give us the amber color. All right, so we have the amber So this is what happens when you have your turn signal on. They are bright. I'm happy with the output of these lights. They are bright. Again, this is still the old Lasfit, and this is the new T3. Again, with the output, especially when you have that ceramic cap in there, that's a game changer for this particular bulbs, because it will give a longer lifespan on your LED. So yeah, happy with them. Again, this is on my 2021 Toyota Rav4. Alright, so there you go. Both sides are installed. Yeah, these are nice. I like the output on them. They're not gonna blind anyone because of the light output. They're bright, but they're not going to blind oncoming traffic. They're nice. Yeah, so if you'd like to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Don't forget to use my discount code FGSAVE10 to save 10%. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.